In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an ignition coil boot on your Dodge Ram. This is going to be located on the top of the motor. We're going to show you how to replace the hardest one in the vehicle, but the process will be the same for all of them. Remove the connector for the intake. There's a button on the bottom. Push on that and remove it. There's your button. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to loosen the clamp for the intake on the throttle body. Go to the other side of the intake and do the same thing. Remove the intake from the vehicle. We're going to lift straight up on our engine cover and pop it out of place and remove it from the vehicle. We're going to do our plug in the rear of the vehicle. We're going to push that red tap up towards us. Then we're going to push on the button and pull straight back and remove that connector. Then we're going to have a 10mm bolt on either corner of this ignition coil. Go ahead and remove those two bolts. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the two bolts on our ignition coil. It's going to be on the top right corner and the bottom left corner. Remove both the bolts. Remove the coil from the vehicle. We're going to remove the boot off of our ignition coil. Grab it, twist it, and pull. We're going to install our new spring. We're going to install our boot over that. Push it all the way up until it's fully seated. Give it a pull, make sure it doesn't pull off, and we're ready to reinstall. Reinstall the ignition coil, get the boot started. Push the coil down into place. You should feel it slightly seat, and then get the bolt started. Get the bolts nice and snug. Install the connector, push until you hear a click, and then lock down that locking tab. Torque the bolts to 62 inch-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the engine cover. Line up the two posts in the back. And then drop it straight down on. Install the intake onto the box. Pull it over and drop it onto the throttle body. Tighten the clamp. Get it nice and snug. Do the same thing on the throttle body side. Install the connector, push until you hear a click, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.